Good morning class. Today our topic is chapter 2, which is of addition. Topic is addition, means we will add the given numbers, right? Now how we will add the numbers, right? So see, I am taking an example that is like this: 3, 8, 9, 7, right? And plus 5. So how we will plus? 7 plus 5, 12. 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0. 1 comes carry. 8 plus 1, 9. And 3 as it is. So in this chapter we will study about the topic of addition. How you will add the given numbers. After that, some statement questions on the topic additions, right? Today we will cover these two topics. First one addition and second one statement questions, right? Now come to exercise 2.1. Which exercise we will do today? 2.1. In this exercise, first question is like this. First question A part, see, 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3, right? They all are the questions of addition and you all will do these questions in your book. Now first question is, here place value chart is given to you, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now in this digits are 6, 9, 9 and you have to add 8 in this. Now at the place of 1000 there is nothing. So this is your choice. If you want to write, you can write 0 here. Otherwise if you don't write then also it is okay. अगर आप यहाँ पे 0 नहीं भी लिखोगे तो भी कोई problem नहीं है. Now 6 plus 8, 14. 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. And it comes here. So answer is 1004. Right? So this is the additions. Now look one more questions, that is 968 plus 7, 4. So 8 plus 4, 12. 1 goes carry. 6 plus 7, 13 and 1, 14. Again 1 goes carry, 9 plus 1, 10. That is 1042. So this is the way to do the additions questions. Now, exercise 2.1 all are like this. Now come to exercise 2.2 in which all the 4 digits are given. So firstly we will do 2.2. First question, A part, which is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Add the numbers 4, 2, 3, 6 and 3, 5, 4, 0. These are the numbers given to you. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. राइट अगर आप यहाँ पे 2 नंबर्स को ऐड करते हो और आपके जो नंबर्स आते हैं वो 2 डिजिट में आते हैं, लाइक अगर यहाँ 16 आता तो मैं यहाँ पे 6 लिख के 1 कैरी नेक्स्ट नंबर पे चला जाता. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू द J part, which is of 3 digit number. 1000, 100, tens and ones. 1, 3, 5, 0. 4, 5, 2, 4. 2, 1, 1, 3. Now 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 2, 7 and 1, 8. 5 plus 3, 8 and 1, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. That is equals to 7,987. Right? So this is how to do the questions of 3 numbers. Now next is also 2.3 is also same. These types of digits already given to you. आपको arrange भी नहीं करना है, already बुक में arrange है, आपको सिर्फ add करना है. Now come to the exercise questions. What we will do? Exercise questions. Okay, wait, before that let me take one example of exercise 2.3. Example, one question of 2.3 is see K part like this 2, 9, 6, 4, 1, 0, 3, 8 and 3, 1, 9, 2. Now 4 plus 8. अब कैरी के क्वेश्चन आपके 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 2 14, 1 goes carry, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19, again 1 carry, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 0 10, 10 plus 1 11, again 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7. Right? So this is the way to do the carry questions also. This is the question of exercise 2.3. Here all the questions are already in your book that are arranged properly. You have to just add the numbers. आपको simply सिर्फ क्या करना है, numbers को add करना है. Now come to the second topic of our video, which is statement questions, and that is exercise 2.4. But we will do statement questions, right? The statement questions, you have to write the statement also and do the solution also, means addition also. 2.4. First question. There are 2,430 boys and 2,250 girls in a school. So first question, number of boys. But we write number of boys equals to how many boys? 2,430. Now second given है आपको girls. So same number of girls equals to 2,250. Right? आगे क्वेश्चंस क्या है? How many students study in this school? They are asking about, उन्होंने बेटा पूछा टोटल स्टूडेंट के बारे में. बॉयज इतने हैं स्कूल में और गर्ल्स इतनी हैं. सो टोटल स्टूडेंट, व्हाट वी विल डू, हम ऐड करेंगे बॉयज और गर्ल्स को. टोटल स्टूडेंट इक्वल्स टू ऐड दीज टू 0 plus 0, 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2 6 and 2 plus 2 4. So total students in the school is 4,680. How many? 4,680. Right? Now come to second question. Population of a village is 1247. So population means number of people living in that area. जितने लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं वो लोग क्या हो जाते हैं, वहाँ की पॉपुलेशन. और हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं, जनसंख्या. पॉपुलेशन ऑफ विलेज. हाउ मेनी? 1247. After that, population of another village. population of another village. How many? Given to you, that is 1752. How many population of another village? 1752. Now, what is the total population of two villages? So how will we do total population? हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करो, 1247 and 1752. 7 plus 2 9, 4 plus 5 9, 7 plus 2 9 and 1 plus 1 2. So total population is 2999. Right? Total population is 2999. Now come to question number 3rd. A wall was made using bricks 3250. Another wall was made using 5965 bricks. So third, wall made, or you can say bricks used in first. Don't write wall made. Right there. Bricks used in first. Bricks used in first wall. How many use? How many bricks used in first wall? 3250. 3250. Right? After that, another wall was used using bricks. Bricks used in second wall equals to 5965. Right? So question क्या है आपका? How many bricks are used in whole? So same क्या पूछ रहा है वो? Total bricks. So total bricks में क्या आएगा? ऐड करो दोनों को. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 6 11, 1 goes carry. 9 plus 2 11 and 1 12, 1 carry. 5 plus 3 8 and 1 9. So how many bricks are used? 9215. How many bricks used? 9215. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is, a toy exhibition was visited by 4096 children on Monday. How many children on Monday? 4096. So आप यहाँ simply क्या लिख सकते हो? Children on Monday. Or you can write children on Monday. बेटा जब भी हम स्टेटमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं किसी भी क्वेश्चंस के लिए, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम लाइन बाय लाइन चलते हैं. जैसे हम पहले लिखेंगे जो फर्स्ट लाइन में इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है आपको. फर्स्टली यू विल राइट, फर्स्टली आप क्या लिखोगे, जो फर्स्ट जो भी आपको कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको फर्स्ट लाइन में गिवन है, दैट यू विल राइट फर्स्ट. नाउ दे आर सेइंग चिल्ड्रंस ऑन मंडे. हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन? 4096. सेकेंड इज 4223 children on Tuesday. So children on Tuesday children on Tuesday. How many? 4223. Right. Question क्या है आपका? How many children visited the exhibition in all? Means कि दोनों दिनों में कितने बच्चों ने एग्जीबिशन को विजिट किया? मीन्स जो भी एग्जीबिशन लगी हुई थी कितने बच्चों ने उसे देखा है? सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, टोटल नंबर ऑफ children equals to 4096 plus 4223. Add both. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1 goes carry, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 4 8. Answer is 8319. How many children visited? 8319. Right? Now, next question number 5. Till then, read the question from your book. Now question number 5 is, a train is carrying 6,394 bags of sugar. How many bags of sugar? 6,394. After that, another train is carrying 2,343 bags of sugar. In all, how many bags of sugar are being transported by these two trains? So we will write first bags of sugar, bags of sugar in train 1. In train 1, that is equals to how many bags are there? 6,394. After that, another train means bags of sugar, bags of sugar in train or in second train. How many bags are there? Equals to how many bags? 2,343. 343. Now we have to find the total bags of sugar. Total bags of sugar, that is equals to, sugar are 4 plus 3 7, 9 plus 4 13. Again 1 goes carry, 3 plus 3 6 and 1 7. 6 plus 2 8. So total bag of sugars are 8,737. Right? Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, question number 6, floor of a hall was covered using 1,985 tiles. So tiles in first hole, tiles in first hole, how many tiles used? 1,985. After that, tiles in second hole, which was second hole, that equals to how many tiles used? 2,615. 2,615. So find the total number of tiles used. Again, what we have to find? Total numbers of tiles. So total number of tiles equals to total tiles. Add these two numbers, 1985 plus 2615. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 goes, carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 carry. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 and 1, 16. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So how many tiles are used? 4600. Right? So tiles used in both the holes, दोनों holes में number of tiles used 4600. Now come to 7th question. Population of a small town was 7980 2 years ago. मीन्स कि 2 साल पहले एक छोटे से स्मॉल टाउन की जो पॉपुलेशन थी वो क्या थी? 7980. It has increased by 1600 since then. कितनी इंक्रीज हुई? 1600. So what is the present population of the town? Means see, 2 years ago, 2 साल पहले populations given है आपको कि small town की how many populations was there. After that they are saying increase, population increase हुई. Means yes, people come there to live. After that the question is they are asking about total number of or the population, total present population of the towns. So population 2 years ago. 2 years ago, how many population is there? 7980. After that increased by how many increased? 1600. How many increased? 1600. After that what is the present population of the town? So present population क्या करेंगे हम? ऐड करेंगे. Present population equals to 7980 plus 1600. 08. 9 plus 6, 15. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So present population is 9580. How many people are living there? 9580. प्रेजेंट का मतलब होता है जो इस टाइम पे है. Now question number 8. A website received 1233 or you can say 1233 hits in first week. Hits का मतलब होता है likes. Next 3372 hits in second week and 4015 hits in third week. So how many hits did it receive in the 3 weeks? So first week, second week and 3 weeks. In all 3 weeks they are asking. So what do we do at the last? Add the number. First one, hits in first week. Hits in first week. How many? 1233. How many hits received in first week? 1233. After that, hits in second week. In second week equals to 3372. Next, hits in, or received also you can write, hits in third week. Hits in third week equals to 4015. So how many hits did it receive in the 3 weeks? It means total hits, but we have to find total number of hits. हिट्स का मतलब होता है लाइक करना. आप किसी की फोटो व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, कहीं पर भी किसी भी सोशल साइट्स पे लाइक करते हो तो क्या होता है? हिट्स. टोटल नंबर ऑफ हिट्स हम लाइक करते हैं. अगर एक पिक्चर पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक होते हैं, इट मींस दैट गॉट हिट्स. सो हाउ मेनी लाइक्स? टोटल नंबर ऑफ हिट्स वी हैव टू फाइंड. ऐड ऑल दिस. 1233 plus 3372 plus 4015. Now 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 5 10. 0 carry come here. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 7 11. 11 and 1 12. Again 1 carry. 3 plus 2 5 and 1 6. 4 plus 3 7. 7 and 1 8. So total number of hits are 8620. These are the statement questions of your addition chapter. Today we have covered our 2 topics. First is addition, which is the chapter name also, and second is exercise 2.4 statement questions of the addition chapter. Now tomorrow we will discuss about the properties of addition. कल हम क्या डिस्कस करेंगे? Properties of addition. Let me give some hint to you. There are 3 properties of addition. How many properties? 3 properties of addition. There are 3 properties of addition that are like this. See, properties of addition. First property is property first. See, if we add 0 to any number, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करेंगे, then the number will remain the same. Then the number will remain the same. So property first क्या हो गया? 0 plus a equals to a. यहाँ पे a क्या डिनोट कर रहा है? नंबर. और a plus 0, then also it comes a. Right? This is the property 1. Now property 2, which is equals to property 2, जो है आपकी a plus b equals to b plus a. See, अगर आप क्या करते हो? 1 plus 2, I am giving you example. 1 plus 2 और 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 3 and 2 plus 1 3. इसमें क्या है कि आप नंबर्स का ऑर्डर चेंज भी करेंगे तो भी आंसर आपका क्या आएगा? सेम. इफ यू चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द नंबर्स देन ऑल्सो द आंसर इज सेम. आफ्टर दैट प्रॉपर्टी 3, property third will tell you that इफ यू चेंज द ग्रुप्स ऑफ द नंबर, अगर आप नंबर्स का ग्रुप करते हो, लाइक सी a प्लस बी ब्रैकेट में है प्लस सी, एंड दिस साइड a प्लस बी प्लस सी, ये दोनों ब्रैकेट में, देखो ऑर्डर सेम है, a प्लस बी प्लस सी, a प्लस बी प्लस सी, बट हमने क्या किया, हमने ग्रुपिंग्स चेंज कर दी नंबर की। फर्स्टली हम क्या करेंगे, a प्लस बी को ऐड करेंगे, उसके बाद जो भी नंबर आएगा c में ऐड करेंगे, राइट। और सेकेंड साइड विच इज राइट हैंड साइड, इसमें आप क्या करोगे, पहले b प्लस सी को ऐड करोगे, उसके बाद जो भी नंबर आता है उसको आप a के साथ ऐड करोगे। बट आंसर जो दोनों ही कंडीशन में आंसर आपका क्या आएगा, सेम आएगा, आंसर विल बी द सेम, राइट। So this properties of addition we will discuss tomorrow.